That is where we're going. That white spot. We're so far. Hi guys. Okay, paakyat kami ngayon sa main crater ng Taal Volcano. Hi Kaya Melvin! Hi Billy! Hi Kaya Quintin! Grabe to. Bakit namin ginawa to? Ang ganda oh. Hi Billy! What's up? Kaya mo pa ba? Kuya dito. Hi Melvin! Hi Billy!
May nakitang kwago!
Wala namang kwago! Di ba Kuya Quintin?
Wala pong kwago.
Walang kwago! Wow!
Palaka! Dito sa bundok eh.
Melvin, ano yung sabi mo kanina? Ano? Nahihiya ka, no?
Yung ba yung sulfur?
Talaga? Yung may usok na yun?
Mainit ko yung mainit.
Hindi. Hindi siya mainit. Tignan mo ha. Oo. Mukha ba mainit yan?
Naluhan ako ni Kuya Quintin ng stick kasi mahirap maglakad. Thank you for my stick! So, bait. There's my stick. Okay, so ito yung Sulfur Lake. We are gonna swim there later. See, may mga parts na muusok like there. We're gonna swim! So, ganyan siya kainit. Kumukulo yung water. Grabe. We're gonna cook eggs. Few seconds lang daw. So, there it is. You can see the smoke, and if you can hear it, yan yung sulfur. Grabe. We are gonna cook eggs. Let's go. Ito yung ginawa ni Billy. Ito yung ginawa ko. We were here. So, yung eggs na linubog ko dun kanina, ito na siya ngayon. Luto na, few seconds lang. And it's color gray now. See?
Yung texture niya po.
Init. Lovely.